Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about liver health, and we'll be sharing some amazing late-night drinks that can help you cleanse your liver. But before we get into that, let's talk a bit about the importance of liver health. Your liver is the second largest organ in your body, and it plays a vital role in keeping you healthy. It processes everything you eat, drink, and inhale, and helps remove toxins and waste products from your body. In fact, your liver is responsible for over 500 essential functions in your body, including regulating your metabolism, storing vitamins, and producing bile to aid digestion. Unfortunately, our modern lifestyles can take a toll on our liver, from alcohol consumption to poor diet and exposure to environmental toxins. That's why it's so important to take care of this vital organ, and one way to do that is by incorporating these late-night drinks into your routine. So, without further ado, let's jump into the video and learn more about how to cleanse your liver with these amazing drinks. Do you want to lose fat efficiently? Then be aware of these beverages for liver cleansing before bedtime to help you reach your goal. Traditional Chinese medicine suggests that the liver, the main organ responsible for detoxification, works best between 1 and 3 in the morning. To ensure effective detoxification, it is important to be asleep before this period. There are special teas and night drinks that can be consumed before bedtime to help cleanse your liver and burn fat. Now, let's see the list of drinks. Number 1. Chamomile Tea. The dried flowers of the chamomile plant, which is a member of the daisy family, are used to make chamomile tea. This drink has been used for many years as a natural remedy for a range of conditions such as sleeplessness, anxiousness, and digestion problems. It is thought that chamomile tea is beneficial for the liver due to the presence of sesquiterpenolactones, which are substances that appear to guard the liver from damage and aid in its natural detoxification. Chamomile tea not only offers potential benefits to the liver, but it also has a calming effect on the nervous system, making it beneficial in reducing anxiety and improving sleep. Numerous studies have demonstrated its effectiveness. A 2016 study in the journal Phytomedicine showed that chamomile extract reduced symptoms of generalized anxiety disorder. So if you're looking for a natural way to support your health and well-being, chamomile tea is definitely worth considering. Number 2. Lemon water. Recently, lemon water has become a popular drink choice as it is known to be healthy. It is easy to make, just add freshly squeezed lemon juice to water. Lemon water has many health benefits, including improved digestion, better hydration, and stronger immune system. Furthermore, one of the most important advantages of lemon water is its ability to remove toxins. Studies have demonstrated that lemon water can help enhance liver function, which is key to detoxifying the body. A 2017 study in the journal Food Science and Biotechnology reveals that lemon water has a strong detoxifying effect on the liver, aiding in disposing of toxic substances from the body. It is suggested to drink hot lemon water regularly and consistently throughout the day. This can assist in keeping the body hydrated and flushing out any toxins. Drinking lemon water at night is particularly helpful as it helps to get rid of toxins in the blood, resulting in better sleeping quality and improved health. Number 3. Jujube Juice. It is widely known that Jujube Juice is packed with antioxidants that aid in fighting inflammation, preventing cell damage, and cutting down the likelihood of developing chronic diseases. A 2019 study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food demonstrated that Jujube Juice could make a positive difference in the functioning of the liver and reduce oxidative stress in rats with liver damage. These findings suggest that Jujube Juice could be a potential natural remedy for liver diseases in humans. In addition to its health benefits, Jujube Juice is also a delicious and refreshing drink that can be enjoyed alone or mixed with other juices. So if you want to improve your liver function, calm your mind, and boost your digestion, give Jujube Juice a try. Number 4. Lotus Seed Tea. For centuries, Lotus Seed Tea has been a part of traditional Chinese medicine and is used to treat different health issues, including liver disease. Recent research has revealed that lotus seeds contain a high amount of antioxidants, which can boost liver function. A 2014 study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that lotus seed extract can protect liver cells from harm caused by toxins. A later study from the same journal in 2018 showed that extract from lotus seeds can improve the performance of a damaged liver in rats. Lotus Seed Tea is also known to act as a natural diuretic, which can help to remove toxins from the body and diminish water retention. It is packed with magnesium, potassium, and zinc, which are all important minerals for sustaining healthy liver function. To make Lotus Seeds tea, all you need to do is let a few dried seeds soak in water overnight, then bring it to a boil in the morning for 10 to 15 minutes. To enhance the flavor and health benefits, you can add honey or other herbs like lavender. This tea is a great natural remedy for liver issues and can reduce stress and anxiety. So, if you're looking for an easy and natural solution for liver problems, why not give Lotus Seeds tea a go? Number 5. Rose tea. In 2018, a study published in the journal Food Function highlighted the liver-protecting properties of rose tea. This study found that rose tea contains antioxidants, which defend the liver from oxidative stress and inflammation, two leading causes of liver damage. Additionally, a 2016 study from the journal Nutrition revealed that rose tea can be beneficial in treating non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. After drinking rose tea for 12 weeks, those with NAFLD experienced improved liver function and decreased levels of liver enzymes. In addition to its liver-protecting properties, rose tea has been found to have anti-inflammatory effects, which can also benefit liver health. Chronic inflammation in the liver can lead to a number of liver diseases, including cirrhosis and liver cancer. So, incorporating rose tea into your daily routine can have a positive impact on liver health as well as emotional well-being. Its delicate floral flavor and aroma make it a delightful addition to any tea collection. Number 6. Mint tea. Mint tea has been widely recognized for many years as a natural treatment for a variety of health issues, including liver health. The components contained in peppermint, including menthol and rosmarinic acid, have been proven to possess hepatoprotective features that can help boost liver function. In 2015, the Journal of Medicinal Food released a study affirming that peppermint oil can help lessen liver damage caused by hazardous compounds. Another study published in the Journal of Applied Pharmaceutical Science in the same year showed that peppermint extract aided in improving liver enzymes and reducing liver inflammation in rats with liver damage. It is important to take care of the liver, as it is a key part of the body's digestive and cleansing systems. Mint tea is a great way to support the liver's functioning and digestion, particularly after a large meal. Therefore, to promote your liver's health naturally, why not add a cup of mint tea to your daily habits? Not only is it refreshing, but it also could bring some great health benefits. Number 7. Oat Straw Tea. Recent research has indicated the advantageous impacts of oat straw tea on liver well-being. A 2018 examination distributed in the Journal of Food Science and Technology demonstrated that oat straw concentrate had a defensive effect on liver cells, shielding them from oxidative pressure. Another investigation from 2019, distributed in the Journal of Food and Drug Analysis, uncovered that oat straw concentrate had calming impacts on liver cells, bringing down the danger of liver damage. Overall, it can be concluded that consuming oat straw tea may be an effective way to support liver health thanks to its high nutrient content and potential detoxification benefits. It is important to note that while oat straw tea may be beneficial, it should not be used as a substitute for medical treatment for liver disease. Always consult a healthcare professional for advice on managing liver health. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. Remember, taking care of your liver is essential for maintaining good health, and these late-night drinks are an easy and effective way to support your liver's natural detoxification process. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.